Hello, how's the writing going? So, most of my authors are speakers, they conduct workshops, they have their ideas crystal clear in their head, and when they interact with their audience, they know exactly how to lead their audience, how to talk about their problems, and how to solve their problems. But when it comes to writing a book, suddenly that same idea that drew so many people to them, it becomes difficult for them to write it down. Why is that so? First is because there's no captive audience. There's no interaction happening when you're writing. When you're writing your idea, it seems like a simple idea, but when you're writing it as a book, it has to have more, you have to bring out the elements of the idea. When you talk to an audience, you know how to do it, and you can see the expressions on their faces while you're doing it. So you know exactly how to move your talk. While writing, you can't see anybody's expression. Actually, it's advisable not to see anybody's expressions because that will stop you from writing. That's why writing sometimes becomes a laborious process for people who are professionals, who really know their subject very well. That's why a ghostwriter can help. I'm a ghostwriter and I help my clients crystallize their ideas into books. And how do I do that? How do I crystallize the idea into a book? I listen to them. I talk to them. I discuss the idea with them, create a table of content, outline the whole idea, then work on it chapter by chapter. We gain more clarity as we write the whole book. And then we sit down with the first draft and go through it all over again to know what we missed, the gaps we have, because there'll always be gaps. It'll never be perfect in the first round, and anybody who tells you that they can write a perfect book in round one, well, you should check up on their process, because the process of writing demands rewrites, demands edits. There is nothing like a perfect first chapter in the first go. That's why a ghostwriter can help you crystallize your ideas and add more depth to your book by building a strong story structure.